7 minus 1 gives us 6. And again, 7 minus 1 gives us 6. And 6 times 6 is equal to 36. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so according to the rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? So we have parentheses here and we are going to solve the parentheses first. And then the second thing to solve is exponent, right? So we don't have exponent here, so we are going to simply jump to the next arithmetic. So the third thing to solve in equation is multiplication or division, right? So for multiplication and division, we have to solve them left to right, whichever comes first, since they have both similar priority, right? So at last, at the end, we have to solve addition or subtraction. So in our problem, the first thing to solve is the parentheses, and then we are going to move to multiplication, and then we are going to move to subtraction, right? So here is where most people get lost. So 7 minus 1 is indeed the first thing to solve, and 7 minus 1 gives us 6, and then the problem becomes 7 minus 1 times 6, because if a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication, right? So 1 is going to be multiplied by 6. So in this equation, we have multiplication, we have subtraction, and multiplication should be solved first, right? So 1 minus 6 gives us 6, and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So the final answer to this question is 1.